Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Techno Talks here. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out a case from Spigen for the Apple Watch Ultra. So in front of us today, we have the Spigen Rugged Armor case, and this thing right away goes for $18.99 on Amazon. Again, as always, I will have links in the description for all the items that I showcase in my videos. So without further ado, let's go ahead and start. Here we have our packaging, very nice and simple. We can get a quick image of what it looks like. Here's the case. It says Spigen up top, Rugged Armor for Apple Watch Ultra. On the back, we don't really get anything, just some information back there. So to open it up, all we got to do is pull this tab open. Boom. And here we have our case. So nothing else inside of this box. So very nice and simple unboxing. Also very fast. So plopping that to the side, let's go ahead and take our case out of its pouch. And boom, here we are presented with our Rugged Armor case for the Apple Watch Ultra. So as you can see, it does cover up every part of the Apple Watch that it needs to. The back is covered up as well. Right there you can see it doesn't cover up the sensors, so you do not miss out on any of your features, and overall it just gives you some extra protection for the Apple Watch Ultra. As you know, this is meant for, I guess, more rugged situations, and so having a rugged case with the Apple Watch Ultra will just make it extra protective, and basically you won't be able to break it in any way or form. So let's go ahead and place this on the Apple Watch Ultra. So usually I like to start off with the buttons, and the main reason for that is because it's easier to get the buttons in and then push the sides, which are flatter. So starting off with the side where the buttons are, I go ahead and push through, and then boom, push the other side in, and voila, here is our Apple Watch Ultra inside of the Rugged Armor case. So checking out the case from the back, as you can see, it does not cover up the sensors. However, it does cover up every other part of the body, which will make it a lot more scratch resistant if you do drop it or whatnot. On the left side, we do have our speaker grill cut out, plus we do get this nice carbon fiber look. If I can bring this up closer, you can see right there, it's this nice carbon fiber design. And then we do get our button for the action button, which I will actually go ahead and test out in a bit. On the bottom, we do get some branding, just a little Spigen logo, and as you can see, the watch band is not affected in any way, shape, or form. It does have a nice cutout for that, so you won't be having any issues with the original watch band that you already have. On the right side, again, we do get the nice carbon fiber design right there, plus we do get our button, and then our crown, you're still able to access it easily, which is nice to know. They have a nice little cutout for the crown, and then on the top, it does say Rugged Armor right there. So very minimal branding, and overall just looks really nice and clean. It gives it this rugged look, which is something that I like, and overall, again, it is a really nice case. So let me go ahead and put the watch band on. Let's go ahead and get this on. So here is how we place it. It's the same way that you place it without a case. Plops in right away, and then the bottom side. So plopping this side in, boom, if I can manage to. Alright, so here is our watch band on the Apple Watch Ultra. So very nice and easy to clip on. No parts that are extruding from the case that block it from doing so. And again, we also do get some protection on the watch band as well. As you can see, it does cover up these sides. And overall, it gives it a more cleaner look in my opinion. I wish I did have like a black band maybe for this. It would look and match better in my opinion. However, the orange does look nice as well. So let's go ahead and place this on my arm just to go ahead and test it out, test the feel out. If I can manage to get the watch band. Alright, boom, and boom. So let's go ahead and place this on my arm the same way that you would place it. I did notice that it is a little harder to put the watch band on. I guess the case does block it a little bit. However, all you got to do is just push a little harder, and boom, here is your Apple Watch Ultra. So clipping it on, voila. So really nice and easy, and once you put it on, you don't really need to take it off anymore. It doesn't really extrude into your arm, so it doesn't hurt your arm. No extra feels to it. It actually does feel better in my opinion. The plastic sides that actually touch your skin, it's a little comfier than the actual Apple Watch, and you don't really feel the sensor pushing into your arm as it is now a flat back. So let me go ahead and place in my passcode. Alright, and let's go ahead and test out the buttons. So our crown, obviously easily accessible. We are able to do everything we need to do from it. And then if we do click our button right here, boom, as you can see, again, it's very clicky and super easy to use, which is always good to know. And moving on to our action button, back here, once we do click our action button, we're still able to access it really easily, just like the other buttons. So overall, very nice and easy to use, which is always good to know. The buttons are not making me apply any extra force, which is a test that I actually do with all of my cases for smartphones and for watches. So overall, a pretty decent case, especially for the price. You're getting a nice and protective case for your Apple Watch Ultra that you probably paid a lot of money for, so it's always good to know that your items are being protected by a case. So that will basically wrap it up for this video. Again, if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.